Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 13th of March 2014 market review. As you can see, the Dow Jones closed 11 points negative. That was for Wednesday evening. Closed on a level of 16,339 points. If we're going to go and look at the end of day chart, on quick chart, you will basically see the Dow Jones chart. As we expected, it was in the top of this little channel, starting to break a bit down. The main focus was Ukraine and Russia. It's a bit difficult at that time to look at this market, and as you can see, a bit of downward, but still, if you draw this blue line downwards, you will basically see it's close to this level here on the support here. So let's track it for the short term and see how they can physically open. China is positive this today in the green, but let's track it in the short term basically here. Nasdaq closed 16 points positive. S&P closed 1 point positive as well. Shares to look at is Jubilee, JBL. Line B, it's important to track, as well as line A. Shares still in a downward channel here. And as you can see, the low here on line A is 34 cents, and our high is 43 cents. Regards to the newsletter, there could be a possibility of an upward swing happening here, but this line B needs to be broken. Now that price is again 43 cents. Should this line be broken and it goes to above 44 cents, you could see most probably new highs going to 45 cents, 46 cents, 47 cents. But use line A as a stop loss level in the short term, and that stop loss level will be approximately about 37 cents. Next share is Billiton. Looking at Billiton, different chart. Blue line is the share price, line A is like resistance, line B is support. Positive channel. Share is starting to rise, and as you can see, you need to follow line A and B. Line B is 320 rand, so you will basically see line B is 320 rand here. Newsletter suggesting if you can buy this share at a low level here, close to the 320s, you most probably can see the share going to 320.44, 321, 321.81, and 322.60. But you need to use a stop loss very tight on the share to protect your capital, and your stop loss level will be approximately 317 rand 60 cents. Let's go and look at other indexes like the J200. That's the top 40 shares. Please excuse this downward channel here. That is basically there was an information gap on the system here. Markets didn't fall this hard, so please just bear with us. It will be fixed soon. As you can see, it closed here on the 42,607 points. Also testing this 42,500 levels. So after the chart's been fixed, we can track it later on. But let's go and look at a few other shares. BGA, called Barclays Bank, or the old Upside. Share still in the upward channel, confirmed by the two blue lines here. The blue line here will be subject to support levels. I draw it up here for you, and you will basically see 133.90 rand will be the current support level, confirmed with the red line. That's the 89 days. Would the share come down and test it, there could be an upward performance happening. Otherwise, keep this as a close eye of most probably a breakdown happening very soon. Another share to look at is called Mr. Price. Mr. Price struggling to break this 152 rand 63. Look at the blue lines here, that's the positive channel, still doing very well. Look at this red line here, that's the 89-day moving average. Look at the Fibonacci level, 147.97. Still confirming this is the low level. Would it break this low level, share could most probably come down, but it's still positive here on the top. Shoprite. Shoprite did come down. Currently you will see two red lines here. That's a positive channel. It did bounce on this green line here. That's the 21-day moving average. There is the green line. Did bounce on this 23.6% on the Fibonacci. Very strong indicator of support currently. Share is currently trading between 143.99 and 146.27. You need to track this closely, or bounce up or break down. So this will be giving us direction in the next few days. Keep an eye on this specific trade. MTN still trading between the two red lines. That's a positive root channel. Still trading the blue lines, the share price, still trading above the green and the red line. Green is the 89 days, 21 days is the green line. So it's still trading above this line, still positive. We can go and extend this channels here for you, and you will basically see plus minus now roughly, yeah. You'll basically see it's still trading in between those levels there. Keep a close eye on this specific trade. Would it bounce through this red support level? It could come down here back to the 200 rand levels. Vodacom. Looking at Vodacom. Oh, there's a bit of a noise in this specific trade. Sideways, that's the two blue lines. Red line, upward channel. Currently, did break this red line downwards. So, there's the channel. It did break it downwards. This red and green line, that's the 89 day and the 21 day, those will be very, very high support levels. I'm going to call up the Fibonacci on this current levels here. I'm going to take it from here to this high here, and you will see this 121.84, very important level. Will it break this level? Next low could be 119 rand, so it could go and break 122 rand down to almost 120 bucks here. Keep a close eye on this trade for any movements. It seems like, looking at this, there's a leg, shoulder, head. Let's see if this could be a pattern starting to follow here, because normally this leg, shoulder, head pattern will convince you. It can bounce on the green red line, go to the high of 123, start breaking down, and then confirm breakdown. So let's see if this pattern could play out in the next few days. If it breaks this 121, next low could be 116 again. So let's track this one very closely in the short term as well. Imperial. Imperial, as expected, still in the positive channel, currently trading sideways, trading on the green line, that's the 21 day moving average. This red line here is my current support levels of 169.74. The high is 172. For any breakup or confirmation of a positive channel happening, it needs to break this 172 rand to go higher. Currently trading at 170.50. So let's keep this one very close on track here. Capitec, as expected, showed you yesterday. Look at this, beautiful. Low, broke the green to the high, broke the green down, back to the low. So that's the 21 days. Went to the high, and they broke the green down. So the next low could be 180. From the 185 levels back to the 180 levels. Played out beautifully. So the objective now is to see if it can hold here close to the 180 levels and start breaking up again. Traders, have a lovely day, and I'll chat with you later. Thank you.